Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 27th to the 31st of July 2026 on Monday. The Mabutla family received a chilling message. Chivase expresses his interest to go into business with Lehase. Banzile has his eye on a lady who is way out of his league on Tuesday. A father partakes in a risky mission to save his family. Banzile pitches a business idea to Francois on Wednesday. Babele visited Maputla to confront them about withholding information from the police. Nomvula reveals that she may be competing with Banzile for the same position on Thursday. Fence provides the police with crucial information regarding Mapit's case. Pretty extends an offer to act as Lehase's attorney, but does he have enough faith in her abilities on Friday? A dangerous man visits Tipo's house posing as a CCTV camera installer. Kwezi is shocked when Stanley failed to show up for duty despite her not granting him leave. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.